Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by triaging recent mail so the system works for you immediately. Scan the newest 50 messages and flag the top 3 priority senders. This gives you focus. Next, create a single inbox rule to route newsletters and promo mail into a news folder, which reduces noise. Then set up quick steps for archive, reply plus delete, and move to project so repetitive actions are one click. Once done, your inbox stops accumulating overhead, and you can move to structured processing. Now you expand organization by building 5 to 7 project folders and a generic action folder. Aim to keep your inbox under 100 items so it stays actionable. Use categories as 2 dimensions, status and context, which lets you tag messages without duplicating them. Save 3 smart searches for unread, awaiting reply, and today to surface what matters. Also, make sure to apply categories when moving mail so search and filtering, replace memorized folder locations, and speed up future retrieval. To finish, automate retention. Enable auto-archive for items older than 1 year and keep the most recent 6 months available locally for offline access. Turn on focused inbox and make sure your rules and categories sync across devices so behavior is consistent. Test by sending a sample message and confirm it lands where expected. If things go wrong, reset rule order, disable overlapping rules, and run the mailbox repair tool. These steps resolve most misrouting and missing mail issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.